Hi guys, welcome to Jan's Journey. Today is unboxing time and this is Boxyluxe. So this one we get, as you know, a few times in a year. So this one is the spring box or the March box. One thing I do like that you get to choose 2 items on this box. So this one was sent to me by Boxycharm, so I'm just going to share with you guys what I think and play with some of the products here. The retail value of this box is $309.95, almost $310. So let's go ahead and get started unboxing this one. But I do want to say that at the end of this video, I really don't want to spoil the spoilers to some of you that don't want to know what's coming for the month of April. But we already have some possible spoilers for the month of April. I wanted to include that on this video so that way you have an idea what's coming in case those items are going to be a choice item for the base box. So that will be later on this video. This video is going to be a little different. What I'm going to do is I opened this box and I was shocked that I did not get products like when I was doing my makeup. I'm like, oh, maybe I have a contour there or a blush or lipstick. I didn't have really that here, so that kind of surprised me because I'm kind of like used to one of those in the box. But I'm happy with the products here. What I did was when I opened it a day or 2 ago, I tried the products and I was brave to try them because a lot of the products that were my holy grail products I already had in my skincare routine for a long time. I'm starting to have reactions. My skin is not liking it. I'm starting to have acne, even some foundations my skin does not approve. So I wanted to try them out for a few days and see if I had any type of reaction, but luckily I had nothing like that happening. So I want to share them with you as I talk about the product. I hope that's okay that I did it a little different so you guys could to see me trying it out, and just be warned that my skin is that bad. It was really good, and I don't know, the only thing I noticed was after I took the vaccine, my skin, my hair, and even stuff that I was eating was not good at all. So I am on a journey, just like Jan's journey, trying to improve all those problem areas that I have now. So the first thing that we are going to share on this box that every Boxyluxe charmer is going to be getting is the Natasha Denona palette. This one is called Cupid. This one retails for $48, and as you know, you should know by now that this one is an exclusive. If you have not seen this palette in her website or even in Sephora, it's because it's an exclusive palette, so only the charmers are going to be getting this if you have Boxyluxe. So what I did was, in a separate video, I'm going to share that later on this week, is I did 3 different eye makeup look playing with this palette. One thing that surprised me and shocked me was that one of those tutorials that I'm going to share with you guys, I did not apply primer or concealer in my eyelid, and the pigmentation here, it was spot on. I was super impressed, and I'm also going to share this eye makeup look that I have today. So if you guys want to see that, don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Okay, so the second item that I received was, of course, a choice item. This was one of the choice items, and this was from Dry Bar Liquid Glass. This is a product that you applied on your hair when it's wet, and you go ahead and apply the mist all throughout and then comb it through just to make sure that it's really even. I did that a few days ago, and then I let my hair dry, and then I used a strainer to straighten out my hair. This one retails for $34, and this one's just gonna leave your hair super glossy, silk finish without weighing your hair down. And this one also lasts through 3 washes, and it's gonna protect from heat up to 450. So I like that it has even that in there that is gonna protect, because I have used certain sprays to protect my hair when I'm going to use a strainer. So this one does that as well. This one is called the Liquid Glass Miracle Smoothing Sealant with it on, and I have no frizz at all. I was outside, I was even helping outside gardening a little bit, and no frizz. So now that I think about it, I was like, wow, it was really good. Now, one thing I did not like, maybe I put too much spray, that after I straightened my hair, it was like very stiff. It's just in this area here and in the center up or in the top in this area, it was very stiff. Besides that, I like that product. It was really good. Then we have a new brand. This one is Flawless Beauty Forget the Filler Lip Plumping Smoothing Gloss. This one retails for $25, and this one, when I applied it, it was so smooth and silky silky. When you put it on your lips, it was not sticky. Even though it looked sticky, it wasn't sticky. And then less than a minute, I started feeling like this tingling feeling in my lips. I'm like, what is this? It's that tingling feeling you get sometimes with certain lipstick or plumping gloss. I got, but it wasn't so scary or intense. It was really nice. Then it fades and then it comes back. So, but I did like that it lasted a long time. It did not feel like I had any gloss on, so I like that. And on top, it did not feel sticky. So it's really good quality. This is the lipstick, the shade that I got. The Rosy Outlook is really pretty. I don't think it had much of a shade, but I even love the packaging. It's so pretty. So that one retails for $25. Then I got Frank Body. I love this brand, Frank Body, and I love this. This is But First Coffee. And this is something that once you finish with this cream, you could actually recycle this and you put your coffee here. It's so pretty. I love how it smells. This one retails for $19.95. And this is a Perky Sculpting Body Hydrator. It does feel like a moisturizer. It's a lot more dense than the moisturizer you get in your skin. It does feel really nice in the skin. It's like after a while that I applied it, I'm like, what is this on my skin? I'm like, oh, I forgot that I did apply moisturizer. So I really like this product. But guys, Frank Body, every product that I have tried, it's a win. So I'm just impressed with this one, and I hope that it does not, you don't only have to put it in your assets, you can put it in other parts of your body too to help moisturize it. So next we got, I don't care what I get from brand. This is another product. You know what, I'm not a person that I'm stuck to one brand and whatever they get I'm gonna like, but most of the products that I got in from this brand as well, I've seen major improvements. The first product that I tried from them was a toner, and I was impressed how glowy my skin looked. I also have, it is to remove your makeup. It's like a jelly, and this one is a Radiance Brightening Dark Circle Eye Cream. This one retails for $49. This one's gonna help reduce dark circles after just 7 days. It's irritation free. The formula is suitable for all eyes, and it's bioactive to brighten, hydrate, and plump the look of the entire eye area. So it has elderberry flower extract and glycogen. This here, I'm not a fan to eye products or eye cream, but this one did feel lighter, and I'm seeing myself wearing it ever since it does help me. Something about it, I feel like it's just something really nice there, that it really hydrates, and I feel like it really helps when you apply concealer, that this area looks so much better. So I continue picking this up. I really like this eye cream, and like I mentioned, this one retails for $49. Next we got another choice item, and this one is from Juice Beauty. I love how this smells. This product is Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Retinol Overnight Serum. Retinol is something that is key for me to apply in my skincare. There's some retinols that I don't see any improvement on my skin, and some retinols are too sensitive for my skin. So this one, I was a little scared to see how it was gonna be, but it was really nice. I put this last night, and this one retails for $72. This is Clean Vegan Bioretinol and Retinol Serum with a breakthrough scientific technology encapsulating the vitamin. So that when it's encapsulated, it helps that when you apply it in your skin, it's not going to be as harsh as other retinol. It helped my skin feel hydrated, and I love that I'm including another retinol. I have a retinol that is really expensive, and I only wear that twice a week, and this one I am impressed that I could wear this those other days that I'm not wearing it. So I feel like I'm getting that vitamin that I need in my skin. So I love that one. I love how that smells, and if that one is a keeper, I'm gonna be in trouble because that one is expensive as well. So next I want to share with you guys Give Them Lala. I don't know what to think, because I liked her in the show, but she didn't give me the impression much about skincare or stuff like that, but she's doing really good. And this one, I'm like, okay, it's just another mask, but this one it's a Stay Calm Soothing Sheet Mask. What I like that it had licorice root, and that is an ingredient that could help with hyperpigmentation, and that's something that I'm looking at, anything that's going to help with hyperpigmentation, and that is in here as well. It does claim to be calming, so aloe is good as well, just like chamomile. So I was impressed with the ingredients, and I can't wait to try it. So you guys gonna see me trying it on camera as well. This one retails for $30, and it only brings 5. So just for $5 in here for $30, that's the only thing I don't like too much, but I'm glad that we got it in the box, and it did feel really good. I remember when as soon as I took it out, and I just just blend in more of that serum, my skin was glowing the whole night. I even got one for my husband and he loved it as well. So that one is a good one. It's a good sheet mask. And last, guys, this one is Complex Culture Beauty Filter Out Daily Blue Light Defense Mist. This one retails for $32. I did not apply this on camera because this is more for when you need that refresh, and also when you're so much in the blue light, when you're so much in a screen, you should apply this. Simply close your eyes and spray anytime you need a screen break. That is really good. You should put this next to your screen, and then when you need a screen break, just close your eyes and just spray yours. I love this as well. It's not something that you hear too much on a skincare, but I'm glad that it comes in a mist, and anytime that I'm in a screen, I'm also gonna have one for my husband so then he could just spray it on. He's in the computer a lot. So I like this one. This one retails $32. And guys, this is the whole box. This whole box, like I mentioned, was almost $310. Yeah, this is the Spring Boxyluxe. So thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget that just now I'm gonna start sharing with you guys some spoilers for the month of April. Hi guys, I'm glad you are gonna stay to watch some spoilers. Yes, can you believe it? We already have some information for the month of April. So instead of just doing another video, since it's just 3 products, I just want to include them here in case you are able to see them early on and be prepared for choice in case these gonna be our possible spoilers. So this is not confirmed yet. This was just mentioned. As you know, there's a flash sale. It's about to end, and during that flash sale, this screen popped up and it was just giving us some choice item. Like I said, it's not confirmed. It could have been an error, I don't know, but we got to see it way ahead of time. And one of those products is this foundation here. I am so impressed. It's going to be a choice item, and that's why I keep saying a possible spoiler is not even confirmed, because this on the base box, I'm just like, whoa. So this is an Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is her foundation, luminous foundation, and the shade that I use is 320N, and this is the one that I'm wearing today. I got this one, I believe it was in Ipsy. It was a choice item. The only thing about Ipsy is just they don't let you select the range of shades. They have like 4 or 3, I think it was, and between those 3 you have to select one. But in Boxycharm, usually you're able to get whatever range they have available for you to choose from, and you could pick your closest shade. So I do prefer that option that we get from Boxycharm. Now I don't know if Ipsy has changed or improved that, but when this was around, that's the only option that I had when I selected it from Ipsy bag. So this is really nice. I'm really impressed with this one. So this one, it might be a choice item. It's not confirmed yet, but at least we have an idea what we might expect for the month of April. Another product you're going to be seeing as an option or is a possible spoiler is QMS. So the other product is from QMS. We have not seen that in a while, at least that brand, and this one is called Epigen, the Puff Pollution Shield Eye Serum. And as you know, this brand, they're really like high-end and very expensive, and so is this product. This one retails for $118, and this one is a protective eye serum with epigenetic peptide. Ooh, I love peptide. It's suitable for all skin types. So if this is something you guys want to try out, this is your chance to try it out, because it's very expensive. And the last thing is, I'm excited for this. This looks like it's going to be an exclusive palette, but guys, I'm excited, but it's not confirmed yet. But we did see a video of showing this as a possible spoiler, so I think it is coming, and it's for beauty bakeries. And if you go to her website, you will not find this palette, so it looks like it's going to be an exclusive palette, and I think it's called Sour You Doing. I don't know, you do see the name Sour, and it's an eyeshadow palette, and I just can't believe that it might be an exclusive palette. One thing that took me back, usually you don't see a mirror with beauty bakery, but this one has a mirror, so that's a bonus there. So guys, these are the spoilers. This could be for the base box, and this could be the choice items. If these are one's choice open following week, which one are you excited to get? Let me know in the comment section. So thank you guys for spending some of your time with me, for making it this far in the video and checking out the spoilers. Thank you again, and until the next video, bye.